Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is September 10th, 2025, and here are our top stories. Robo-Tanks, AI hallucinations, AI versus booking, AI in nuclear. Robo-Tanks. In the greater Munich area, two emerging defense startups, Helsing and Robotics, have entered into a strategic partnership to connect their unmanned weapon systems using artificial intelligence. Helsing specializes in drones like the mass-produced HX-2, while Robotics builds unmanned ground vehicles resembling small robotic tanks. These ground vehicles can be used for reconnaissance, ammunition transport, and rescuing wounded personnel. The collaboration aims to optimize the interaction between their systems, focusing on their combined offering to NATO partners and Ukraine. This reflects a common belief that AI-connected autonomous systems will shape future warfare, trying to address the needs of modern drone-dominated conflicts. AI hallucinations. OpenAI's latest scientific paper delves into the intriguing issue of hallucinations in large language models, which are inaccurate information or relationships generated by AI chatbots. Despite efforts from AI companies to minimize these hallucinations, eliminating them entirely seems unattainable. OpenAI emphasizes that while consistent patterns in areas like spelling can reduce errors, random facts cannot be predicted and lead to hallucinations. For instance, birth dates cannot be guessed based on patterns. AI models tend to offer an answer similar to guessing on a multiple-choice test, increasing the chances of being correct by chance. The paper suggests penalizing incorrect answers to curb this tendency and awarding partial points for no response. Reasoning processes that encourage models to justify their answers help reduce hallucinations, though complete elimination remains unlikely. OpenAI continues to work on reducing these errors, acknowledging that some real-world questions are inherently unanswerable. Nevertheless, language models should aspire to provide no answer rather than a hallucinatory one. AI versus booking. Autonomous AI agents are emerging with the capability to plan and book travel directly based on user preferences. According to a report, these developments could potentially threaten the core business model of platforms like Booking.com and Expedia in the long run, specifically their commission-based brokering services. Some hotel industry representatives see these new AI systems as having clear potential to reduce their dependency on such platforms, which could also jeopardize the platform's margins in a lasting way. However, the technology is not yet advanced enough to fully realize this potential. AI in nuclear. Nuclearn has introduced AI tools designed to assist reactor operators in automating routine paperwork. The company recently secured $10.5 million in a Series A funding round, led by Blue Bear Capital, with support from AZVC, Nucleation Capital, and SJF Ventures. Nuclearn's AI solutions are already in use across more than 65 nuclear reactors worldwide. Additionally, the startup offers the capability to train custom models for utilities and power providers upon request. While their software primarily operates in the cloud, Nuclearn can also support on-site hardware setups to meet stringent security protocols. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.